Running a small business is not as hard as people make it to seem. I beg to differ, but the reason why you think your business is hard is because you are separating yourself from the business, which is where a ton of people get it wrong. Once you find what you are truly passionate about in your business, you can't go back anymore, because one thing is bound to happen. You create a community of people who are fully locked into your product and services. And when that happens, your business stops being about you, more about the community of people you have built within that business. That is exactly the point that I've gotten to with my small business. At this rate, I'm not continuing because I want to, but because I have to. Just like the saying goes, motivation can get you started, but discipline will get you there.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand, so your dad know like me lah. See me I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make it tell me with this up and come. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna make me dead. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no. Without you,
fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
It's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
It's some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I thought I like you, that bitch I do it. I'm a girl, let's get it, I'm alive. Long as you joking, now after me, I got it. I'm in skinny, do it, I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't